Alright, so here we are with the Spring-Summer 2021 Carhartt WIP Work in Progress Lookbook, and this is the men's lookbook. We will be going over the women's in a separate video. If you guys want to see that as well, keep an eye out for that. But before we hop into this, I also want to point out that they do have an end-of-season sale with a lot of good items. You got this Michigan Chore coat, corduroy jacket, very nice. Like over, or like 50% off. I think it's up to 50% off is the max. I'm also really digging this Lashley check shirt jacket. This brown is beautiful. There's also one other, yes, this plaid jacket, Vermont wool jacket in this colorway, I think is super sexy. Anyway, there's a bunch of stuff. They got like 15 pages worth of sales stuff, so you can go check that out. It should be up. They should still have the sale by the time this video goes up, so keep that in mind. And with that being said, we will get into Spring-Summer 2021. They actually already have their first drop of this collection or season live too. I'm not exactly sure everything that is in it, but as far as outfits go, this shirt says offshore sounds for internal calibration. I'm not exactly sure what's on the back of this calibrate tee. We can expand a lot of the outfits to get closer looks. Looks like a couple different things. You got some lips, eyes, nose, yeah, so a bunch of human anatomy stuff going into that. But yeah, I'm not crazy about that shirt. As far as the pants go, they're all right. Kind of looks like a single knee pant. And then moving over to the right, I think this outfit is a lot more interesting. I'm a big fan of this corduroy shirt. I got one of these corduroy shackets, like shirt jackets from Carhartt. Super nice, but I just wish it weren't as thick as it was. That's the one I have, is like quilted and has a liner. Kind of wish I had one of these where you can see the inside here. It's not super thick, but for retail, it's going to be $178. So maybe once they hit some type of sale, it'll also be interesting to see what kind of colors we got this coming in. Here we have Deep Lagoon, which is an interesting color. My favorite color of last season was definitely boysenberry, kind of this like purple that they did. I thought that looked really cool. Then we also have the Earthly Pleasures t-shirt, which it's all right. I feel like Carhartt doesn't usually kill it on the graphic tees, but not too bad. Moving forward, we have just some really plain chinos. They also, in the pictures you can see, I'm not sure if they had it, they have like some Converse or some like Chuck Taylors or something that they show off as well. Some collabs I'm sure they'll be releasing at some point. As far as the button-up goes, I think this is pretty weak. Chinos, they're just plain. And then we also have this vest up here, which I'm not crazy about. I really like their kind of old school vests, but this like super pocketed one, I'm not really digging. Looking like a school shooter or something with all these pockets. But moving forward, we have some more interesting looks. This one on the far left, get a look at I forget what they call these. Yeah, Stetson jackets is kind of what I was thinking. Interesting color though, dusty Hamilton brown, and then it's the worn washed colorway, so interesting. Almost like bleachy looking, but kind of cool. We have just a Chase sweatshirt where it looks like this season, as far as the lookbook goes, a lot of the stuff we're seeing is just kind of new colorways. I'm trying to zoom in here, see if we can get like one lookbook picture per page. Nah, not really. All right, it just zooms in the whole thing. These lookbooks are kind of hard to go over, or maybe not the most convenient, but as far as this outfit goes, super simple. Maybe just some new colorways for Chase stuff, some Chase shorts, long sleeve. And then on the right, we have some pinstriped pants. I'm not exactly sure. We have the trade knee single pant is what they're calling it. They're all right. I could go for some like different colored pinstripe pants. Next up, we have kind of like a workwear one. You kind of got the shop shirt, or like the work shirt. I think they call it the Tony, I want to say. The master shirt. And then we have some pinstriped jorts, which I don't know, not crazy about it. But yeah, once again, you can kind of see the Carhartt chucks on the bottom. We got some special socks, and yeah, not really digging the pinstripe. I could maybe go for like a Chore coat in this style, the like denim pinstripe, but not really that. Moving forward, we get some more interesting pieces. We have, looks like it might be a corduroy coach jacket, which looks kind of cool. I'm not crazy about the coloration that they used for the Carhartt logo here, but this is kind of interesting. The Valiant 4 shirt, not crazy about that colorway, but I could see like a different color scheme that I would like a lot more. And they kind of did that with some sweatshirts and hoodies, even some t-shirts I think last season. But yeah, not too bad. Some camo joggers, and then a backyard t-shirt, which, you know, $68 for a t-shirt's ridiculous. And then we have this just disgusting plaid color. I like it when they have the Carhartt patch on the pocket. I do like that, but I'm a fan of that branding, but just not this pattern. That plaid is not for me. Looks like, once again, yeah, same shirt, Madison jacket. Shohi t-shirt. It looks kind of like an interesting graphic. Let's see what it is. Some dude with some pizza, dropping some pie. I'm not sure what Shohi means, but kind of a cool design, but definitely not for $65. You can find most of this stuff discounted more heavily later in the season, and then also other retailers. For some reason, Carhartt WIP is like the most expensive place to buy it. We have this like full suit. Not crazy about the camo used here. I do like this quarter zip or half zip or whatever you're gonna call it. Not crazy about the Carhartt C color. They probably could have done something more like tonal to make it look a little bit better. I've always been a big fan of the Scotty striped t-shirts. I really like their kind of thinly striped t-shirts. I'm not sure if it was the Scotty one, or I think it might have been like Parker or something they called it, the boysenberry one that I got last time. But this looks really cool. I like this. I'm a big fan of their striped t-shirts, and this colorway is cool. Limoncello, they're calling it, I guess. I don't know. But I also like the colors that they use on the Elven striped sweatshirt, which, you know, once again, just like a lot of other pieces, we're just getting new colorways. We've gotten Elven stuff before. Next up, we have Heat Wave, this kind of melting Carhartt logo. Kind of interesting. Looks like different colorations for, is that the same jacket? No, last one was a full zip. This one's like a Anorak pullover. Not crazy about it. I think we've seen the same exact backpack before, so really not a whole lot of stuff to talk about there. We have a Heat Wave button-up, which, yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm really feeling that. $128 is taxing too. This button-up is a little bit more interesting, I think. Tom Kroll Flowers print t-shirt. We can take a closer look at this. Yeah, I think this is a little bit better. Definitely not no 158, but the pattern also gets a little bit repetitive in my opinion, but it's not too bad. I think this is one of the better button-ups that we've seen. Another striped t-shirt. I'm not a fan of this style striped t-shirt, and I think these single knee pants are kind of similar to that washed Stetson jacket we saw earlier. I think this might be a similar wash. I guess they're calling it crater wash, where the last one was medium wash, I want to say. Moving forward, we have, I actually think I own these corduroy pants. So I guess they're just releasing them again. Maybe it's a slightly different style. Hamilton brown, I think that's even the same color I have. Lander shirt jacket, not really feeling that. Not feeling this tropical wool. Or I guess they're calling it wave stow check. I'm not a fan of that pattern. This is a nice flannel pattern here. Not a bad beanie. The worn canvas, that's the wash that I think we had before. And then once again, that Elmwood vest. Not a bad outfit. I like this outfit right here. This is pretty good. But, you know, a lot of basic stuff. Moving forward, we have a Chore coat. Michigan Chore coat, yep, in that deep lagoon colorway, and I do like that deep lagoon colorway. It seems like one of the ones they're kind of pushing this season, and I do like that color. Chase one, just normal stuff, some corduroy pants, striped t-shirt. I like the kind of like the Scotty one where they're the bars and not the lines. I'm not crazy about those lined ones. aviation pant. I always thought their aviation pant was kind of cool. Province camo, kind of interesting colorway. I like the branding on the cargo pocket as well. It's kind of cool. We have a cypress acrylic watch hat. I don't know if they've released that colorway before. Another good outfit though. I like that one. I can get behind that one. Moving forward, we have another kind of like workwear t-shirt. Some interesting shorts. They're stone washed in a wave colorway. I don't know, not crazy about that. Not crazy about a lot of stuff on this outfit actually. This shirt is a little bit more interesting. We got some graphic on it. Landscape long sleeve t-shirt. You can look at the actual big graphic on the back. It says emerging landscape is what it says. And then on the front we have leave this world. Interesting. Kind of weird that they didn't do like a play on the Carhartt logo since it's already circular, but I don't know. Not a bad t-shirt, I suppose. I do like this camo that they have here. Is this double knee or single knee pants still? Single knee pant still. So I do like this. This is a cool combination too. You get the blaze orange with the camo. You can kind of see they have some like twigs or some foliage worked in with the camo pattern. I think that's kind of a cool touch. It says Panic in Detroit for the hoodie. But yeah, cool pieces. We get a work shirt right here. The cartograph shirt. It says work in progress. Looks like it has a phone number underneath and then a little globe. I think they've done better kind of like globe ones before, or I'm not sure if this is embroidered, but they've done better, definitely like work inspired embroidered stuff. They had this work jacket that was embroidered, which had like a big Carhartt flag on it. Thought that was really cool. And then the hooded university sweatshirt. This is something they've done before, and I guess that's the end of it. Personally, I think this is kind of underwhelming, but you know, we're missing out on a lot of different colorways that we're going to get this season. But as far as the lookbook goes, pretty weak. I think the last 2 seasons have been better than this. As far as my favorite stuff goes, you know, I'm a big fan of this corduroy shirt right here. I really like this deep lagoon colorway that they're pushing this season, and then also the Scotty striped t-shirt. I'm a big fan of that yellow that they had it in. If I can find it again quick for you guys. Oh yeah, it was underneath somebody's jacket. So right here, the Scotty striped pocket t-shirt in the limoncello and white. I'm a fan of that yellow. It's kind of like pale, and it's a pretty yellow, and then along with that deep lagoon. It's kind of what I'm feeling this season. And thank you guys for watching. Like I said, stay tuned for the women's lookbook if you guys want to check that out as well. And I'll catch you guys